In this video, we are going to talk about polygons. A polygon is any closed 2D shape that has straight sides. According to the number of sides, they have special names, and the most common polygons are here. When a polygon is three-sided, we call triangle. When a polygon is four-sided, we call it quadrilateral. Five-sided polygons are called pentagon. Six-sided polygons are called hexagon. Seven-sided polygons are called heptagon. Eight-sided polygons are called octagon. Nine-sided polygons are called nonagon. And 10-sided polygons are called decagon. Okay, you have to remember those names with the corresponding number of sides. If a polygon has more than 10 sides, we use the number of sides in the name. Let's say if it has 15 sides, we call it 15-sided polygon. If it has 20 sides, we call it 20-sided polygon. So, if a polygon is convex, what does that mean? That means the diagonals of the polygon are within the shape. So, all of the diagonals are inside of this shape, like these. Okay, if a polygon is concave, that means at least one of the diagonals are outside the shape, like that one. Angles in polygons. We have interior angles, exterior angles. The angles inside a polygon are called interior angles. When the side of a polygon is extended and the angle formed outside the polygon is an exterior angle. Let's describe this with a simple shape. For example, let's draw a triangle. Triangle is a three-sided polygon and it has three interior angles, A, B, C. I labeled them with A, B, C. So these are interior angles. And let's show exterior angles. I change my pen color, and if I extend every side, what does that mean? I extend this side in that way. So next to the angle B, there is an exterior angle. So let's say this is D. I extend this side of the triangle and I have an exterior angle next to the angle C. Let's say this is E, and I extend the other side and there is an exterior angle here next to A, and I call it F. So E, D, and F are called exterior angles. And one more information here, very important. Angles on a straight line make 180 degrees together. So B and D together make 180 degrees. E and C together make 180 degrees. A and F together make 180 degrees. So one interior and the corresponding exterior angle, together they make 180 degrees. Sum of interior angles of a polygon with n sides has a formula. You take away 2 from n and multiply it by 180. So this formula gives you the total value of all interior angles in a polygon. And sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degrees. No matter how many sides there are there in the polygon, it is always 360 degrees. Let's solve a couple of basic examples about these. So in example 1, we are going to find the sum of all interior angles of a hexagon and a 20-sided polygon. In a hexagon, there are 6 sides, so n has a value 6, and we know the formula is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. We put 6 in the place of n and do calculation. And this is 4 times 180, and it is 720 degrees. So this is the sum of interior angles of a hexagon. When there are 20 sides, n is 20 in this example. So take away 2 from the number of sides and multiply it by 180. 18 times 180 will give us 3240 degrees. So this is the sum of interior angles of a 20-sided polygon. In example 2, we have 2 shapes, and we are going to find the missing angles. So in the first shape we have A and B to be found. So A is an exterior angle and B is an interior angle. And when I look at the shape, I see that on a straight line B and 70 must be 180 together. So B plus 70 is 180, so that gives us the value of B as 110. To get the value of A, I realized that this is an exterior angle and all other exterior angles are all given in this shape. This shape is a pentagon. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5-sided polygon, we call it pentagon. There are 5 interior angles and also there must be 5 exterior angles. So one exterior angle is A, others are 80, 70, 50 and 70. And all the exterior angles altogether must be 360. So when you add all these values, they make 270. So A plus 270 equals 360 will give us the value of A as 90 degrees. So we finished with this shape. Let's go through the second shape. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided polygon, which is also a pentagon, and the angles given in this shape are all exterior angles, and all of the 5 angles are here: 90, 55, 55, C to be found, and 100. Altogether, they must be 360. So C plus 55, 55, 90, and 100 must be 360 degrees. So when you add all these values, they make 300. So C plus 300 is 360. Simply the value of C is here as 60.